I'm gonna put some mascara on these extensions because my lash lady is visiting another country at the moment, has left me hanging. But that's not why you came here. Let's talk about these new products that I got. This primer has a soft, moisturized but not greasy feeling to it. It went on smooth. It definitely luminized my skin. So it had a soft illumination to it. So if you can see, I went ahead and applied a matte foundation. I don't see my foundation breaking up or doing anything strange underneath there. I've tried this foundation quite a few times and it's a pretty good foundation. So using this luminizing primer underneath that matte foundation gave me that soft glow that I usually look for, and it's not emphasizing any of my texture whatsoever. And I do appreciate the pinkish hue that I got from it. When you blend it in, it actually, look at that, it has that pinkish hue and then it gives you like a soft luminescent finish without looking too cakey, and it's like a very light moisturizer. It feels almost like a serum. That's what it feels like on the skin. It feels like a cooling serum and dries down so clear with a soft illumination. Very, very pretty, very beautiful product. I'll definitely be reaching for this again. I'm curious to try the other colors and see what that pays off like on me or other dark skin tones, but absolutely beautiful.
So I have to ask you, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and hit that like button. Thank you so much.
Alright, so this, with regards to this highlighter, look at that. I appreciate the packaging once again. Very modern, sleek finish. I don't know who is designing all of this, but they're doing a fantastic job. That's how it pays off. It has a soft pink finish to it. And look at that on my dark skin. Just look at that. Very, very pretty. So it's very soft, very blendable. I'm curious to use this as an eyeshadow and see how it pays off. 10 out of 10, I'll recommend this to anyone to try it. This Becca Light Gleam Primer and Topper Liquid Eyeshadow. This is very pretty. It says it's a primer and an eyeshadow. I did use it as a primer and applied some more eyeshadow into my crease to see how it would layer on top. It didn't crease or bunch any bit, but the color of this eyeshadow, this liquid eyeshadow, is very pretty. Look at that. And then I was pleasantly surprised when I went ahead and put the eyeshadow, the glimmer eyeshadow on top of it. It had that kind of wet glitter finish to it. And what I'm pleasantly surprised and happy about is that that glitter did not irritate my eyes whatsoever. Usually I'm pretty sensitive to glitter, and that did not interfere with my eyes whatsoever. It has that very pretty light finish to it. Just an overall beautiful, beautiful product. So well done, Becca. This eyeshadow and base, 10 out of 10. I really enjoy it. I'm actually curious to try the other colors to see how that will pay off on me, but I'm definitely going to get the rest and try that out. It is beautiful. If you're a lazy girl like me, you want to just get a super quick look, just pop that on your eyes and blend it out. You can even blend it out with your finger. There's no punching or grabbing. I will recommend this.
We have a little voiceover session going on here. I want to talk about this Vesca bronzer. Well, these Vesca bronzers. I have them in two shades. One is in a color called Kissed by Maldives, and the other is called Kissed by Cabo. These are soft matte bronzing powders, and I like soft matte bronzing powders just because they don't emphasize my textured skin. Now look at the color on that. It is absolutely beautiful. So this first color I'm using is called Kissed by Maldives, and it has more of a neutral tone to it. I then layer on Kissed by Cabo, which has a more red undertone to it. I like to layer them up just because they give this really beautiful sun-kissed finish. I layer bronzer on my temples, on the crescent of my cheekbones, and even on top of my chin. I lay on blush, and then on top of that, my Vesca highlighter. The finished look. Tell me in the comments if you'd like to see how I did this soft glam.
I want to give a quick shout out to all those who commented and liked my last video. Thank you so much for doing so. I want to give a shout out to my girl Glow by Nats here on YouTube. She is a phenomenal YouTuber. You should definitely check her out. And thank you for that comment, very sweet. I want to give a shout out to Tessa King. Thank you for this comment. You said you'll be trying some new products soon. Yeah girl, that Too Faced matte foundation. I think you will really enjoy it. So thank you for commenting on my video, and welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to share this video with a friend, and thank you so much for watching. Mwah. But that's not why you came here.
I am not able to take your call right now.
Let's get into this. Oh my God.
I am not able to take your call right now.